Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you can't find your order on Vinted. It looks like it fully disappeared. Don't worry, it's usually a filter or a sync issue. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix order not showing on Vinted in the 2026 version of the app or the website. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first thing first, go and check the correct tab. If you are using the app or the website, same steps. We're gonna go through the website here, then log in using your email address and password to access this inbox. So all I'm gonna do right now is open the inbox, then open the order conversations, or even check the profile here, and look for any listings or for any orders. Profile, wallet, my orders. So basically go to my orders and look for your orders you have bought or even you have sold. It depends on you. If you are using the app, try refreshing it by closing and reopen the app. Log out and log back in. Then check for any email confirmation. Search your email for the order confirmation. Then make sure you are logged into the correct account, as I always tell you. You can even check the spam or check all of these areas that maybe you have an email there hidden. You can also update the app if on mobile. Just go and install the latest version. As for like a small pro tip, if payment failed, the order won't appear, so make sure to double check your transaction history. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.